All right, guys, this is going to be Andrew from Trash Talk, and I want to go ahead and just kind of show y'all what kind of edits that I make on my podcast. So one of the main things I wanted to kind of look at real quick is just to make sure that we have a decent looking video quality. So I kind of already have like my own added sound. I have my original sound, and then I have just kind of like everything else. So you'll kind of see.
All right, hey guys, welcome to another rendition of
Yeah, you'll
Trash
see,
Talk.
me talking and having an interview with
So,
somebody else. So one thing that I kind of do like to do to make it, more spiced up is let's just kind of add like this right here.
I'm your host, Andrew Esteves, and this is going to be my guest.
Hi, I'm Tanner, and
So maybe
it's
just
pretty cool
kind
to be
of
a part of
like
this. So,
Yeah, and
a cool
yeah,
title
awesome.
to kind of
And
have
thank you
up
so much for
there.
coming. I'm really excited.
That's gonna be under the graphics.
This is just going to be a super educational video.
Mhm.
I know my channel is not necessarily for that. However, I really
And you
wanted
could
to
also make your edits right here. So I'm gonna do Trash Talk. Episode 1. Yeah, let's go with that.
get your perspective on it, because I know that times are changing,
And then I'm gonna
utilize
add my own
from
imagery.
like when we were like kids to high school to whatever to college, and really just kind of pushing that in our professional lives. So I just wanted just to kind of like know more about like who you are as a person. How did you first get into tech, and like who you are as a person. How did you
just like
first
put
get
that all the
into
way there.
tech, and like what you do now, and like what you kind of hope to achieve from the technology that you learned.
And
back when
then
you
I can
were,
also
in school.
bring it up more.
so my background in technology started, I want to say, freshman or sophomore year of high school. I was in we called it DCIM, but it was pretty much like a pseudo editing class and like videography class, and
yeah,
minor
and
photography bits.
this is just kind of just like
so
a regular
we worked with
podcast
things
that I would
Photoshop
upload.
and
It has like
I
a
think
little
at
bit
the
of like
point in time
imagery in the
we were using
background. It has
something
like the name,
it
and it
was
has
a
like the
cheap program, like
episode,
Movie Maker.
and it has like the background music, and yeah, this is just like one example of like what you could do. There are going to be different ways that you could kind of do it as well, but just make sure to have that file, have that export media. And then you always want to save it as H.264 for the formatting, unless you like specifically need to do something else like a waveform audio. But this is just going to be like a video that I'm uploading on my own personal page, so I'm going to keep it as a video. If it's just for podcast, I recommend doing the waveform. But yeah, and then you kind of like just name it as well, Trash Talk, and then export. And it's just going to export for a little bit, and then basically you would just upload it to Facebook or YouTube or whatever platform that you're using. Yeah, and that's basically it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any more questions, just let me know down in the comments below, or you can just contact me personally, and I will make sure to get back to you. Thank you so much. Have a good one.